Welcome to our facility. Today, we'll show how Emirates builds its $400 million aircraft.
This section near the intake is showing inconsistent thermal resistance.
I see the red highlights. We need to cross-reference the material specs immediately.
Okay, bring the carbon sheets to staging area 3. Watch the clearance on the bolts.
Alignment on joint 4-9er.
Nominal.
Sealant is good. We are clear for merge. That's the last one. Reading confirmed on the tablet, good to go.
Right wing installation. Laser scanners checking alignment accuracy.
Torque is good on the main bolt.
Copy that. Moving to the hydraulic line.
Checklist confirms step 12 is complete.
According to the tablet, this bundle needs to be routed behind the main avionics rack.
All right, I've secured the connection point here.
Torque check complete on connector 4.
Confirmed. Logging the pass now.
Torque settings confirmed on the main bolts.
Reading green across the board, alignment is perfect.
Make sure that harness is fully secured before we power it up.
Looks good. I'm securing the last clip now.
The blue spectrum readings look stable now.
Confirmed. Moving to the amber sequence.
The gap measurement on this seam is out of tolerance.
Understood. I'm logging the discrepancy now.
The reading on this leg is stable now.
Yes, that aligns with the diagram. We can sign off on this section.
Aileron deflection sequence initiated.
Reading steady at 25 degrees. Looks good.
Roger that. Retracting now.
Ground power connecting to aircraft. Diagnostics running on cockpit displays.
Flight deck, flow rate stabilizing at 90,000 kilograms per hour.
Copy that. Pressures are nominal.
Logging the sequence now.
In the event of a sudden change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will deploy from above. Pull the mask towards you.
Thank you all for joining us on this momentous occasion. It is with great pride that we officially welcome this aircraft into the Emirates fleet.
Overhead panel check complete. Bringing the APU online.
Roger.
Clear on 2.